Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we have been designing this portfolio website from scratch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And this is also completely responsive. So if I decrease the width of the browser window, this is how it will look on a tablet. And if you go to the smartphone version, this is how it will look on a smartphone. We also have this menu icon over here. So in this video, I'll show you how to deploy this website. And we'll deploy it for free on a service called netlify.com. So let's get started. Right, the first thing we need to do is go to netlify.com and create a free account. And you can also log in with your GitHub account. And once you log in, you will find this page right here. And you have to go over here to sites and you will see all the previous deployments over here. Now here on the right side, we can see that we have this option called add new site, and you can click on that and we have different options you can deploy your site with these different options. But I'm going to show you an easier way, which is just drag and drop your folder over here. So let's go to our website folder. So here we can see that I have this folder called public, and in that we have all these files in our website. So we have the HTML, CSS and JavaScript files. We also have the images over here inside this folder. Now the only thing you need to do is drag and drop this public folder, which is a parent folder, into this space right here. So let's do that. And here we can see that our website was published. And this is how quick you can deploy your website using Netlify. Now you can just go ahead and click on Open Production Deploy and you can find your website over here. So just check whether everything looks alright. And let's also check out this accordion and everything is working alright. Let's check out the mobile version. And it is also working alright. And now if you go back to our Netlify dashboard, here we have a lot of different options. So you can click on these options and click on deploy settings. And here we can go ahead and do a lot of things. So let's quickly go ahead and go to site details over here. And let's change the site name. So let's click on change site name and you can just add your site name over here. So I'll just type LB portfolio. Let's see whether it is available. And it is already taken. I'll just type 1, 2, 3. And now we can see that our website is hosted on lbportfolio123.netlify.app. And if I open this, we can see that our website is being displayed. All right, now the next thing we need to do is update the form. So if you go back to our website, here we can see that if you scroll down, we have this contact form over here. And when we click on the send message button, nothing happens because we haven't added the functionality. So if you go over here to the Netlify dashboard and if I click on forms, here, the first thing we need to do is enable form detection. So let's click on enable form detection. And we need to add an attribute called Netlify to the form tag. And then you'll be able to get the data from the form to your Netlify dashboard. So let's click on this learn more about forms in the docs. And if you scroll down, we will have a code example. So this is the example. Let's click on form with Netlify attribute, and here we can see that we need to add a name to the form and we need to set the method to post and we need to add this Netlify attribute. So let's do that real quick and let's deploy it again. So here in our HTML, let's scroll down and go to the form. Here we have the contact section and in that we have the form. So here in the form, we need to add a name. So let's type name equals contact and let's set the method to post and let's add the Netlify attribute over here. And then let's go back to the documentation and here we can see we need to add the name to the input fields. So let's add the name over here. So here I'll just type name equals full name and let's type name equals email over here. And here for the text area, let's type name equals message. And let's go back and let's see what else we need to do. Let's scroll down and for the button, we need to set the type to submit. So let's copy this and let's go to the button. And here let's add the type of submit. Right now let's go ahead and update our website. So to update the website, you have to go over here to deploys. And you can simply go ahead and drag your updated folder over here. So let's open the folder. So this is our updated folder. Let's go ahead and first of all, let's check whether we have saved the file. So we have saved it. So let's go ahead and drag and drop this public folder over here. And it is being uploaded. And now we can see that the website was published. And let's go back to our website and reload. And let's just inspect and let's see whether the changes are added. So let's right click over here and go to inspect. And let's go to the form, and here we can see that we have the form, method, post, and name, contact, and all these things are updated. So let's go ahead and add some details. I'll just type john@email.com, and I'll just type awesome website, and let's click on send message. And here we can see it says thank you, your form submission has been received. So let's go back to our website, and now let's go to our dashboard and let's see whether we have the details. Let's go back over here and let's click on forms, and let's click on this contact. And right now we don't have any submissions. I think that's because it has detected it as some spam data. So let's add some data that looks real. So let's add some name over here, Michael D, Michael123@gmail.com. This is an awesome website, I would like to contribute. And let's click on send message, and it is being submitted. Let's go back over here and reload, and it is still not being displayed over here. That's because I think the spam detection is on point. So let's click on this verified submissions drop down, and let's click on spam submissions. And now we can see that we have the submissions displayed over here. So let's open one of these, and here we can see we have the full name, we have the email, and we have the message. So it will also display the IP address and the time of your message. So that's how you can use the form feature inside your Netlify website. And that's basically how you can deploy your website on Netlify for free. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.